Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to add custom fonts to Instagram stories without apps. So firstly guys, swipe out of Instagram and open up your Chrome or any browser you're using. And then for example, you can just go to something like LingoJam or igfonts.io, log into the website and tap inside the input field text workspace cell and type out your story caption or headline string. So as you can see, first row we have is the normal text, and the fancy text will appear here in the bottom. So I'll just say test 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, it's now changes, and the font is now completely different. And now if you want to go ahead and copy, we have multiple choices. You can see they give us so many fancy fonts here. So just choose the one you want. Say this one right here, for example, right? Oh, whoops, not that. Test right here. And then just copy it. And then you can just open up your Instagram and then, of course, use this font. Insert it, it will be automatically recognized. And then it's going to be, yeah, much more fancy, a much more fancy way to create a story. And also don't forget that you can still use Instagram's native background block modifiers, text alignment tools, and color wheels to style your newly pasted text block cleanly. And then when you're creating a story here, just make sure to input your new text, your fancy text, and yeah, create a new story after that. So just keep your brand styling entirely custom without downloading a single app. That's it for this one, guys. Enjoy, like and subscribe as always. See you soon.